Assalamualaikum dan hello everyone. Today our group we show a fault that commonly occur in a vehicle and can be detected using a scan tool. For this project, we selected the Camshaft position sensor. Let's see what happens when this sensor has a problem. Okay, this is Camshaft position sensor. This sensor works like the eyes of the ECM. It tells the ECM the position of the camshaft inside the engine. Using this information, the ECM can control the engine timing and fuel injection correctly. If this sensor fails, the engine may not perform properly.
Few inches later.
For this assignment, we create a fault code. First, we turn off the engine.
Then we disconnect the sensor connector. Now the sensor is no longer sending signal to the ECM. Let's see what happens next. Now the engine is running again. If you look at the dashboard, you can see that the check engine light has turned on.
Depending on the vehicle, the engine may also experience rough idling, reduced performance or hesitation during acceleration. This happens because the ECM is no longer receiving information from the sensor.
Instead of guessing the problem, we can use a scan tool to diagnose it. We connect the DLC to OBD. Then we on ignition car and wait. Okay, we on a scan tool.
A few moments later.
The scan tool is now communicating with the ECM. Okay. As shown on the screen, the fault code display is P0010. This code indicates a camshaft position sensor circuit malfunction. This confirms the ECM has detected a problem with the sensor signal.
3 days later.
To repair the fault, the procedure is quite simple because we intentionally disconnected the connector. We reconnect the sensor connector and make sure it is properly secured. For a real customer vehicle, we would also inspect the wiring and sensor condition for any damage.
After reconnecting the sensor, we use the scan tool to clear the stored fault code from the ECM.
Now, let's test the vehicle again. If you look at the dashboard, the check engine light is no longer illuminated. We will perform another scan. As shown below, there are no fault codes stored in the system.
Tomorrow.
In conclusion, the camshaft position sensor is an important component in the engine management system because it provides camshaft position information to the ECM. When the sensor fails, engine performance can be affected and the check engine light may illuminate. With the help of a scan tool, faults can be identified and repaired more quickly and accurately. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
Depending on the tak nampak.